repair this for the dealership. The previous company scuffed the crap out of it. Look at that. All the way to the bottom. Look at the scuffs in this thing. What happened is the local detail shop tried to clean them. Look at that. That scuff right there. That is bad. Look at that. All the way up there. Look at this door. It is scuffed bad. Look at that. Bad, bad, bad. We're going to pull it inside. Look at the scratches on it. We're going to pull it inside. All right. Get a better look at it. Let's see if I can get a better look at what the damage is on this thing. Look at that hood. Look at that. That's what happens when a local detail shop gives it a shot. Look at the scratches on that sucker. That's destroyed. Look at this right here. Look at that. That is just terrible. It's got, oh, it's just every piece of it. Look at that. That's horrible, man. Looks like they used a scrub brush. Every piece of this car is damaged. Look at that. Oh my God. That, my friends, is destroyed. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. Believe it or not, they buffed it or something, but it's going to actually take a buffer to fix it. There's a good scratch right there. They're just marred all through here. There's another scratch. Look at that. Oh my God, what y'all clean this with, a Brillo pad? Oh, mama. That, my friends, is damaged. Oh, the entire... Okay, enough. Enough. Let's see, now that the glare is... Look at that. How could you ever do that and think that that's right? Look at that damage. No glare. All right, let's check that out. Of course, you know, in here you really can't tell so much, but look at that finish. It's perfect. It really is. It's perfect. There's no scratches or anything, but like I said, we're going to take it outside and really give it a good look. But look at that. It's a mirror finish, and it was good. We're going to buff this quarter panel here. You always want to keep the pad as flat as you can on the paint. Now, like I said, we'll take this outside and we're going to look her over real good in this direct sunlight. I can tell you right now, friends, that fender's repaired. You remember last time I did this, you could see the scuffs even in here. That fender's repaired. See, if it wasn't, all this would be scuffed up right here because that's a curve. You see, you can tell even when I get close. That's fixed, baby. Of course, we're not done yet. Alright, right here is where we had the scratches. There's some pretty good scratches going through here. So I'm going to hit it with my buffer real quick. Low RPM. Of course, we're going to get her out in the sun. That door is perfect, friends. Wait till you see this thing out in the sun. That's pretty damn good right there to be able to read my sign like that in a door that was completely destroyed with scuff marks. All right. Now we're going to buff the hood here because it looks horrible. Real low RPM right now, y'all. We've got to cut it by hand. Plenty of product. I buff primarily going this way, so I'm cutting it the other direction. I'm not rubbing that hard, I'm just being consistent with it. Alright, we've got this one side just about done. Alright. That's done, baby. Okay. Now I know the camera there was picking up them swirls, you know, after I buffed it. So the camera will show you. It'll show you swirls. Look at that. Look at that finish. You see right through here? Perfect. Oh, rock chip. Look at that, perfect. It's a perfect hood, baby. Jetta. Off me, man. Look at that finish. That is sweet. You see right here, if that was scuffed, this is the area where you would see it. You see what I'm saying? How I'm focusing in right here? You see that? That would be where you would see it. Your damage would be right there. But, of course, I really had to give this one a number to fix it, friends. Look at that. That was all scratched up right there. It's perfect now. Back trunk was destroyed. Look at that finish now. I mean, it was destroyed. That's your finished product. I brought it out here in front of the dealership so that I could get a good look at her. Make sure she's perfect. This vehicle had some horrendous scratches in it. I mean, it was damaged. Every piece of it was scratched. Every direct sunlight right here so that you can see. There's no swirls in it. I took out all the scuffs and scratches and everything. I mean, look at that finish. It's perfect. I mean, before with all the swirls that it had in it, you couldn't see that. Those brush and all that perfectly like that. Look at that. That's in the door of this car. That's in the door. That is a Mira custom show, whatever finish. I mean, look at that. That's in the door. When it was swirled up, you couldn't see these images very well. Now you can. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas International Services. We just repaired another company's overspray. Damn it. Look at him driving off in the sunset.